I'm Anjuna, and today I'm talking about 5 steps to pump up your user interface skills with ease. We all live in dynamic, fast-paced digital world, an era where industry professionals across the globe are continually looking to upgrade, improve, and revamp their skills, and the user experience industry is no different. If you are looking to pump up your visual design skills, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will focus on user interface design because, in my opinion, it's the perfect starting point. Once you enter the industry through user interface design and have a base, you can gradually go deeper into the study of user experience. User interface design is the look, feel, presentation and interactivity of a product. This video is also useful for experienced designers who want to refresh their knowledge and quickly learn new trends. So I recommend these simple 5 steps to anyone who asks me for mentorship and help with user experience design, and it always delivers positive results 100% of the time. The student's work looks like the work on an experienced professional designer. And all 5 of my mentees that I've given this exercise to start with that it improved their skills very quickly. What's that is? Let's begin. Step 1. Find examples of user interface work that is of excellent quality, such as those selected by Behance moderators. Keep this as a reference. Step 2. Choose the style you want to explore. It's impossible to cover everything, so focus on the area for each lesson. Consider choosing a popular trend that is quite new for a challenge. Step 3. So, select one screen or page per session of the interface in a separate window, and in a graphic program try to replicate it perfectly without using an airdrop tool, ruler, or inserting the image to copy from. Replicate everything intuitively, look for similar photos, draw the icons yourself, choose colors, try to find a similar font. The aim is to make it as close to the original as possible. Step 4. Repeat the previous step 3 or 5 times for different products by different authors, but stick to the style that you already chosen. And finally, step 5. Get started on your own project and be happy, proud and excited. Novice designers can learn about 3-4 different styles to get a basic knowledge. So you'll reach a total about from 9 to 20 interfaces. This is warranted to help you receive a decent level of work. This will take about 1.5 months if you can devote 3-4 hours a day to improving your skills. I myself do this exercise when I want to master a new trend or learn an author's unusual style, or even just when I feel like I am falling behind younger designers. And I always recommend this exercise to graphic designers too, and to people who are just beginning to learn graphic software. That's all. That's all secret. Oh, have you ever tried to recreate someone else's work? It might just be the exercise to pump up your user interface skills.